Hi, today I'm in conversation with director Aditya Dutt, who's recently directed this Disney Plus Hotstar show called Bad Cop, and it's currently streaming on the OTT platform. Hi, Aditya.
Hi, Zeba. How are you?
Good. So the reviews are out, and it's a
Yes.
mixed bag. How do you feel about it?
I'm happy about it because I guess my take on usually reviewing commercial or entertaining, larger than life kind of a Karan Arjun kind of a space that we're kind of catering to is always usually mixed, because like I said, we were very clear when we were making Bad Cop. It is not a deep intellectual cinema that I'm catering to or that I'm trying to make there. We're very clear about it being an entertaining, fun ride with its DNA cliches in it. When I say cliche, it doesn't mean we being repetitive about certain things, but the whole track when you're saying a Karan Arjun twin stories, which has been done for ages, back from Kali Charan to Dawn to Sita Geeta, Chalbaz, all these things, there is a certain classic element that you don't want to let go when you're narrating these kind of stories.
And what was it like as a maker to have actors like Gulshan Devaya and Anurag Kashyap? They're so eccentric, when we see them on screen. Are they like that in real life also? What was it like to have them under one roof?
Gulshan have worked with in Commando 3. He's done the negative role in Commando 3. So I have worked with him before, so I kind of knew his strong points and his negative points. Kind of because you're working with a person, you kind of understand what it was. Anurag Kashyap, I have never met him before this show. I was like any other person who thought that he's going to be this grumpy, gritty guy who will come on my set and will tell me how to do my job because he's a senior director. But he is nothing like that. He's in fact 360-degree opposite to that. He's one of the best dudes I've worked with. He's a chiller to the extent he's not taking the scripts from me. When I questioned him, I said, "Why aren't you taking the scripts?" And his answer was the best answer he's given me. He's like, "As a director, I don't give scripts to actors, so as an actor, I don't have a right to ask for a script from a director." So so when he was on my set, he wouldn't ask me as to why, what, where. He would just tell me, "What do you want?" And I was like, "I want you to get off the van, walk till the jail, sign the thing, and walk in." He said, "That's it, that's it." And he would do that, and I would correct his bit of acting, but he will not ask me, "Can I give you an option of this? You know what? According to me, put the camera there. It will be better." Nothing of that sort. Nothing. Zero. Which was amazing about him, and I love that about him. Then there's Harleen, who came from Kohara. I've seen his last work as Kohara, which was amazing. She blew me off in that performance. And I needed someone who not only is a wife and a lover of a officer, but someone who commands to be an officer herself in a police station. Like I was saying, there were a lot of auditions that came to me were amazing actors. But I was saying, listen, it doesn't seem they've slapped anyone in their own life. They're too clean. It doesn't look like they've dirtied their hands. An officer who's on duty can't be so clean, tidy, soft, and just wearing a uniform doesn't mean you're an officer.
And who is the actual bad cop on set?
Oh God, I think so. I'm the most hated person on set because I make them work like no one's business. Everyone was only crying, "When are you going to pack up? When are you going to do it? Up to chhod de, up to bas kar le."
But that's because that's not your personality. That's because that's the job you were. You were
that's the job.
the master on set. Like apart from you,
true.
who do you think, with the lens of a director, if you take a look back amongst everybody on set, who's the bad cop? The most mischievous one.
The most mischievous is Gulshan only. He's all the time making fun, singing songs, doing that. Even if it's a serious scene, and like Harleen would come and cry to me saying, "Hey, dude, we have an emotional scene. He's not letting me be serious. He's having fun between takes, and he's not focusing." And I'm like, "But that's his way of dealing with it." And Gulshan would be like, if you tell him for a second, like Gulshan, you need to cry, and he'll take, okay, 2 minutes, and he'll just take 2 minutes. And if you have to tell Harleen you gotta cry, the whole day she would be getting into a zone and saying, I need to focus, I need to break down, I need to put in those tears. So they both had a very funny equation on that. So I feel Gulshan is the bad boy.